Oh, okay. Cool.
You didn't hear that. You know, I'd never played Dragon Quest before 11, but for some reason this theme is super nostalgic to me.
That is a little weird.
Got my
I really
old
like
file. Pinballs
It,
again.
Pimble's the hero.
Oh, shit, I hit the wrong button there.
Well, god damn it, Ryan.
I'm working on it.
It's been forever in menus. God, I hate all the fucking house cleaning you have to do for RPGs.
Want to be a female Pimbles?
Yeah,
All right.
Lady Pimbles.
I hate how that sounds. Oh,
Oh, is it the same sprite?
I don't know. A little different.
Oh, you're moving.
Yeah. It's a little different.
Oh, okay. Ooh.
Pretty. Pimbles, can you hear me? You must teach me something. You must answer this quirky quiz about which
Answer this BuzzFeed quiz.
about which member of the Friends cast you would be friends with in high school. Are you ready?
You got 0 out of 10. Wait, what?
Tell me your true name. My true name? It's
Gary.
It's not Pimbles.
Gerstel.
Gerstel. Yeah?
Yep, Gerstel.
The month of your birth? 1, because I'm always a winner.
Let's do 4.
4. So Gerstel. Your sign is Capricorn. Is this correct? What does this do?
Yeah, I think this actually chooses your stats.
Oh, dope.
Yeah,
Don't dwell
and
upon them
probably
too
stat
deeply.
growth.
Answer swiftly from the heart. Okay, we're gonna trade off on questions. Just do the first one that comes to mind. I'll start first.
Do I do the first? Okay.
In the true mind, whatever. Let us begin. Yes.
In.
What?
Yes.
Yes.
I saw
Cheaper.
game and I said in.
Cheaper yet more distant, over and nearer yet more costly. No.
No.
I do, yeah.
No. No.
No.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it wrong to be a hoe? Kinda. No.
No,
Hey,
I said
hey,
no.
Hey, you asked us this. Wide and varied? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Interesting. Very interesting.
The final test of your character, A, B, or C? D. Fuck, this guy's good.
Beat the shit out of this goblin. Oh no, never mind.
Push
okay.
a boulder back? He said that, right?
Yeah. If you find a boulder, push it, but that can't be it. Whew.
Alright, do you want anything else? Oh, thanks.
Gotta get the fuck out of here. I'm gonna do some shit to this rock. What? Oh no. Ryan.
I'm curious, do you get more coins?
This will be the next hour of recording. Bye, everybody. Oh my fucking god. No.
I'm not gonna abuse the shit out of that, even if it is tempting.
I thought your silence meant you were just gonna do this another few times and push it out. Now he doesn't get one. Oh,
I've
shit, that was the
seen
test?
Who you are. Yeah, you're something of a show-off, are you not? Yeah? Your worst feature is you. Oh, that's rude.
Jesus.
Okay. Our story begins in the morning of Pimbles' 16th birthday. Cooey!
Gooey.
I'm probably cutting that. Pimbles! God damn it. I have to go talk to the king? Ooh, that feels creepy. This is what I've been raising you for after all these years. It wasn't love, mother? That
Get out of my
definitely
room,
wasn't it.
Mom. Your doorbell has a really weird sound.
My house looks really weird.
This looks like the first town from the first game.
You know where the castle is.
Off you go and mind your manners.
Aliahan. You know, backwards that spells Nahylia.
Nahala.
Nahyla. Fuck.
Fuck.
Kirk Buzzer.
That's his name.
Okay, so I should go visit jail is what they're saying.
Get a free ally in jail.
We'll get a free key. Have you
You're just
seen
gonna
the
betray him for his
princess?
key?
Well, they said that he made a key that unlocks any door in the world, so you know. Rude?
Oh!
Is that in reference to the test we just took?
I think it is. They're just fucking calling you out.
Are you the king? Patty's party planning place?
I hate it.
Yeah, same. Pimbles, son of Ortega. Sorry? Oh, forgive me, daughter of Ortega. What?
Oh. What? What?
Hang on.
My dad fell into a volcano?
Hang on.
I don't...
The Archfiend Baramos. Brave Pimbles, do shit. Oh, nice. Hey, did I keep that 20 gold?
Oh, I don't know.
No.
Oh, it was all a trick. Yeah, that's fair.
Anyway, nothing happened in whatever time you think may have passed thanks to my perfect editing.
The 1 second.
What do we gotta go to? Patty's parade of putrid
Patty's planning party
place?
parents' palace.
Just nighttime?
Oh.
Is this Patty's? This looks like a church. This is a church.
What, Patty can't live in a church?
Well, I don't think Patty is a priest name.
That's not very inclusive.
Is that guy Patty? No, this is a weapon shop. You're the hero?
Where's Patty?
That's so weird that everyone says son.
Yeah.
But so like there's dialogue where they're like, "Oh wait, you're the daughter." Whoops. It's like what? Like
Yeah, that's really weird.
maybe she's upstairs in this place.
Oh. Oh, that could be her.
Doesn't look like it. Opposite tried to make himself a wrecking ball. What? What? Let's keep that in mind, because there's no way that won't be important later.
Yeah. I bet he tried to fire himself over the ocean with a cannon.
I think I found Patty's.
Yay!
Hey!
Yo, Patty, what it do?
Patty's party planning place.
patties. Party. Planning. Place.
Oh no, I want to make
Lighting.
the. I want to make the party.
Oh yeah, that's right. You gotta go upstairs.
Welcome to Premier Adventure Listing Services, or PALS,
I don't get it.
because they're your friends.
Oh, it's an anagram of lapsed.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fresh blood. That sounds like
Gross.
human trafficking.
Are we doing
Oh
a
shit, we need a
ritual?
name. Pick a name.
Kerbin.
Spell it. There's no fancy letters.
QRBN.
That's an all caps name for sure.
Yeah.
Kerbin's a dude.
Yeah.
What class is Kerbin?
I feel like it's gonna be a martial class, or maybe even a gadabout.
I don't know what a
Yeah.
gadabout is, but that's Kerbin.
Yeah.
5 attribute enhancing seeds.
Oh. Or seeds. What the fuck?
If you pick for yourself, you can stick up to. Okay, I'll let him pick.
No, let's do it. Let's do it.
I don't know what this class is.
Well, it's already got luck. Let's go more luck. It needs more luck.
I don't like this.
Okay, how about this? 4 to luck and 1 to attack. Ooh.
Nothing else?
No. Yeah! Ooh!
I hate this.
Yeah!
Okay.
I am down for this. Okay, you get to choose this one. Don't think about it. Do it, do it.
I don't know how to not think about things.
Verbs.
I'm struggling, dude. I'm floundering. Dilbo! Nope, I don't want that.
Ah! Just make noises. Estim. Yeah. I don't know how to spell. Yeah, I think Fort can't be. Yeah. All right, what are you gonna do? Oh, you gotta at least put 1 in agility. Okay, yeah, we're thinking the same thing.
It's fast as fuck, boy. All right, one more. I don't know what a
her name
gadabout
Fort.
is.
What do you expect?
His name.
I think
thank
it's
you.
like a super thief or some shit.
Okay, pick something.
Flujj.
How do you spell that?
Flujj. Duh. God. What do we have? You're kind of the warrior.
It's called Hero. That's my class.
Yeah, so you can kind of do a general thing. What did Gadabout, Merchant? No, we didn't do Merchant.
We did
Gadabout
and
Priest. Okay, so I mean, Mage. I don't know what the fuck Merchant does, but Mage might be a good one.
All right, now tell me how you're gonna ruin it.
Yeah, give me a sec here. Yeah, okay, so do 2 to agility. One more. Okay, now 1 to resilience. And another 2 resilience. This mage ain't
Alright.
dying. Fludge.
No more, please, God.
Don't let him do anything else. All right.
I'm here to pick up my children.
Kerbin. Fork and Fludge.
Yoo-hoo, fork. Pimbles is here for you.
Oh my fuck, this is great.
Let's view the roster. Oh, that's yeah. Okay. Oh my god, it's a clown. A fucking.
Oh my god, it's a clown!
Oh.
Yes, I am so happy you let me do this.
Oh no.
Oh, this is
What?
all your fault. This is gonna be the entire playthrough.
This is all you. What the? You. I. I have lost my words. I have lost my words.
You know, the funny thing is, I didn't want to play this game until now. Well, now you have a stick. And in my experience, I enjoy owning sticks.
What experience do you have, my guy?
I mean... 12.
What?
You know. If you're gonna quantify it, you want to put it into points. I got 12 EXP. I haven't done a whole lot, honestly.
My brain is rotting trying to listen to you, dude.
That's good.
I'm gonna go say goodbye
You
to
see
mom.
the clown fucking dancing?
I'm gonna say goodbye to mom because Pokemon Silver taught me to do that.
Pokemon Silver taught me I can ignore that and she'll call me.
You're officially a grown-up at the ripe age of 16. Hope you live to the old age of 20. She sent
Hope
me
you
to
don't
bed.
die of dysentery.
Dude, she sent me to bed. With my 3 friends. Who I think went to bed with me.
Well, yeah, I mean, what were they gonna do? Like, sleep in your grandpa's room?
I just robbed my grandpa. Holy shit.
Okay, that was the rest of his pension.
Oh.
Oh.
Should I give the Seed of Strength to Fludge?
No,
I'll give it
Fludge
to the hero.
Give it to Kurt. Oh. Well, alright.
Look, I've already given Kerbin some good shit. We're just gonna see what happens.
Kerbin's gonna fucking slap ass. You just wait.
He's gonna get his ass slapped, alright.
Probably. He's dancing around. So happy. He's just happy someone chose him, honestly.
I don't have a map.
Well, if you have a map button, that will allow you to look at it.
No, I have
Stark
the map button.
Raven.
Okay, Kerbin did 7 points of damage.
Damn.
I think
And
I hit
Pork
attack
only
and
did
everyone
3.
just... Yeah, I hit attack once and everyone's attacking. Wait,
that's not...
auto attack.
What?
Hang on. Hang
Uh-oh.
on. I don't like this.
Yeah, don't want that. Gotta get rid of that.
Here we go. Okay, got it.
The Persona experience.
Yeah, honestly. Okay, I'm going back to town to see if I can find a map. I'm also going to talk to the king and see what he wants me to do.
Yeah, I suppose a little bit of direction would probably help.
I'm sure they told us what to do and we just fucked off.
Well, that's their fault, isn't it?
Probably.
What if someone just made inventory management simulator and it wasn't like an actual RPG? You just like, every time you load up a level, it's just a very full inventory and you have to organize it.
I mean, I'd probably play it.
Yeah, I bet you would.
Okay, 21. Oh, Kerbin's gonna level.
Ooh.
Yeah, I'll save. What am I supposed to do? Yeah, I'm gonna keep playing. Okay, he won't tell me. Oh, okay.
Kill King.
First, I must find the key to open the door. Wasn't there a dude in jail?
Yeah, but where's the jail?
Okay, so the dude in Dreamer's Tower took this dude's key.
Okay.
Alright. I guess it's time to go to the Dreamer's Tower? Like, logically, yeah?
Yeah, I mean, that key would help a lot.
Considering how many locked doors there are in the first place, yeah. Alright. And where's the Dreamer's Tower? Don't know.
West from the castle?
Okay, I I bet you it's that tower, so let's go to that cave.
All right. West from the castle, follow the sea.
Oh boy.
Yeah, you really can't change or choose your target. That's
Maybe
a shame.
it's because these are all slimes and the last one was all whatevers.
Oh, maybe if it's got... Yeah, okay.
That might be enough to level, I think, Kerbin.
Yep.
Hey.
Yeah, what you get?
HP and MP. Agility,
Oh.
resilience was... Huh?
11 luck? What?
Wait, did
Wait,
seeds,
is that for real?
Did seeds bump our growth rate?
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Oh my god, 30 luck.
Oh my god.
What the
What
fuck
what
did
have
I
I
just
done?
witness?
Oh my god. Kerbin is just gonna forever crit.
Whoop.
I don't actually even know
Here we
what.
go.
You know what? Do you
I
want me
can-
to look up what his class evolves into, or do you want to?
Nope, we're gonna find out, buddy.
Okay, all right.
No battle spells. Okay. Do you know
Oh,
anything?
cool.
No.
Yeah, okay. You do get to choose the targets.
Yep.
So can I play this game on my free time?
I'd prefer if you didn't,
Crap, this is the only one I bought.
because it's a lot more fun if both of us don't know what the fuck's going on.
That's fair. I'll just wait a really long time.
Wait, what did that say?
Shit, I wasn't paying attention.
It said Kerbin,
Roll it
like...
back. Future Ryan, edit it. Do edit stuff.
It said
Okay,
Kerbin,
so
like,
that
pretended
Ryan
to
just did
take
the
any...
edit.
I know, dude, it's so hard to edit things when you don't stop talking. No, it's done now. I did it. Future me thinks you're a dick.
Well, future me is not doing the editing.
We did it, yay.
Oh god. I think Fork is gonna level. Oh, maybe Fludge too.
Fork definitely did. Plus, oh my
Uh,
god,
oh.
Fork is pissed.
What? What the hell? Oh no.
Flooge, what do you got?
Wisdom even sucks.
Okay.
Wow.
What the hell happened to Kerbin?
What the fuck is up with Corbin? Is that just what Gadabout do? What the hell, dude?
Ooh, chest.
Ooh, oh, what?
I'm feeling a lot of things right now, I gotta be honest.
Angry at me and confused about Corbin?
Basically.
Oh. Oh, holy shit, when did Flooge get so much HP?
Why
what the
does
fuck?
Flooge have more HP than anyone
Why
else?
is Flooge the tank?
I don't like this.
Oh my god.
And by I don't like this, I mean this is fucking amazing.
I know, it's the best. Wait, didn't we give Flooge a bunch of resilience seeds?
No, we gave Flooge all agility.
No, Fork was the resilience.
No, Fork was, I gave them strength, I think. I don't even remember anymore, dude. Like, that's how stupid it is.
What?
Okay.
11 points of damage, alright.
11 points of damage.
You know, I would have thought Frizz would have been a freeze spell, but
No, freeze is called something else. I don't remember, though.
I don't remember what it is.
Okay, what's in the box?